Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. In this video, I'm going to show you an underrated view spot in the urban side of Tokyo. I am currently here at Handycam Station, which is actually the 5th busiest train station here in Tokyo. And this is where I'll be heading over to that spot. By the end of this video, you'll know where this is, why this is an underrated view spot, and then most importantly, what type of trains pass by here. So the station I got off at is called Horikiri Station, and this is on the Tobu Skytree line. There are two unique parts about this train station. The first one is this curve. Like, look at this curve. And the second interesting part about this train station is how long the platform is. And the funny thing is, the local train for the Tobu line, there's only 6 cars. So it doesn't have to really be this long. The biggest reason why I think this is an underrated train view spot is because this is one of the least used train stations in the 23 wards of Tokyo. Number 1 is Minami Shinjuku, which I went in my past video, and the number of daily users over there is 3,875. And then second, which is this station, there are 4,401 daily users. And you may be wondering what type of trains passes by here. I'll show you more about that later in the video. Before that, I'm going to show you the vibe around the station. Another fun fact about this station, there is no konbini that's like right next to the station. Usually at train stations in the urban side of Tokyo, there's a konbini right when you leave the station. But this one you have to walk 350 meters. Once you leave the train station, you'll be welcomed by a river. I wonder what river this is. There's like so many rivers around this area. Is this Arakawa River? I'll just put in a caption. But yeah, it's a very peaceful area. And it's hard to believe that this is part of the 23 wards of Tokyo. Yeah, there's kids playing baseball over here. There's people running, cycling. Oh, this must be a really popular cycling spot. There's so many cyclists around here. Another unique part about this train station is that to get to the other side of the platform, you have to get out here once to cross this bridge and then go down and then get on there. Unfortunately, you can't go across the platforms without a bridge.
Try and get to Kita-senju?
Oh, no, I'm okay. Yeah, yeah, thank you. This is one of the train view spots you can enjoy at this station from above. So you can see trains coming from both directions here, or if you want to go to the other side, you can do that as well. But these things are in the way, so it's kind of hard to look. Another train view spot is the platform itself. This is recommended for people who wants to see the trains close by. And this station might be interesting to do that because of this big curve. Or you can actually come here. Just don't stick your camera out too much, but you can also watch the trains pass by here. The thing is, you won't be able to see the trains coming when the train from the other side is coming, but from this side, you'll be able to see when the train comes. There's also a lot of limited express trains on the Tobu Railway. I think there's 4. That's Spacia, Ryomo, Liberty, and Spacia X. My goal is to watch all 4 of them pass by in this video. Oh, it's here. Oh, it's this train, the Spacia. I don't know exactly why, but I'm not a big fan of how that train looks. It looks a little bit goofy. It reminds me of a duck, but more like when someone makes a duck face. I'll just show you the picture of that train and then someone making a duck face over here so you can like compare. Maybe you'll understand why, or maybe you won't and hate me. That's your choice. There are also trains from other railway companies that stop by here. That includes the Hanzomon line from the Tokyo Metro and the Dein Toshi line from the Tokyo Railways. Here is the Hanzomonsen from the other side. I think this is the train from, oh, this is Toba, regular Toba line. So I want to see the 3 other limited express trains for the Toba line. The first one is coming in 20 minutes, followed by 30 minutes, and then 50 minutes. So I'm going to have to wait for a while. And while I'm waiting, I thought it would be a good time for me to explain why I came here. I first found out about this train station because it was known to be one of the least used train stations in the 23 wards of Tokyo. But I actually wasn't that interested in coming here because I haven't rode the Toba Railway that much in general. So I think that was one of the reasons why. And the second reason why is because I thought this place is just a place with a nice view of the river. So then I was like, okay, I'm not gonna make a video at this place until I made a collab video with a fellow transit creator named Nathan, who is based in the UK. He came over to Japan and asked me if he wanted to do a collab video with me, and I did it. And one of the places we went to was this station. And when we got to this station, we enjoyed the views of the river, the quiet area around it. Then we realized that there's so many trains just passing by here. And we got to see so many different trains. After going there with Nathan, I was like, okay, this is actually a really nice place. So I should come here on my own so I can show you guys how cool this place is as well. Okay, I just heard an announcement that a train's gonna pass by. I think this is the Limited Express. And it is Liberty. Oh no! Focus! Oh, what the heck? You failed me. You gotta be kidding me. What is this? SDG train. It's so colorful. And this is for the Tokyo line, or the Tokyo Railway. Okay, autofocus, you are failing me right now. What is going on? Please don't fail me like this for the rest of the video. Alright, so there's gonna be 2 more limited express trains I get to see, and that is the Ryomo and the Spacia X. Spacia X is the most recent limited express train, and it's known to be one of the luxurious limited express trains. And so one car has those normal limited express train seats, other ones have like, I don't know, like a sofa? I forgot, like I'll just put the pictures over here. Okay, I think the limited express train Ryomo is coming. Yep. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars. And the last but 100% not least limited express train I'm going to be seeing is the Spacia X. And it's coming in about 10 minutes. Oh, this is the Ryomo, a cow piss steam train? No, that's wild. Oh, move out. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Why are you blocking my way? That was a cow piss themed train. And then you just happen to be in the way. It's always the local trains. It's always the common, unspecial train that blocks the way. It's a jealousy thing. I'm pretty sure it's a jealousy thing. I understand. I understand when you don't get the spotlight, you get jealous. But come on. I'm actually kind of pissed. I don't want to see you for a while. Just the train itself, okay? Not the staff, not the passengers, just the train. Okay, just heard a train announcement saying that the train's passing by, and this is most likely the Spacia X. Finally waited. Oh, dude, please. Okay, well, they can't really block the view, so it's okay. Alright, here it is, Spacia X. Alright, that'll be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is Horikiri Station, which is about a 5-minute train ride from Kitasenju, and it should be around less than 10-minute train ride from Asakusa Station. The algorithm thinks you'll like this video over here, so if you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch this one as well. Alright, bye bye.